Okay, this is called difference of squares. This is a new thing for some of you. The title actually tells you some very important things. Difference means subtraction. So there has to be subtraction in the middle of all of these. And squares means things that times itself. So really we're looking for numbers that square root themselves. So you have to have subtraction and you have to have two things that you know the square roots of. And then the general rule is this. If you have something that you can square root minus something that you square root, then you get, these are the exact same things in the parentheses, but one gets a plus, one gets a minus, and I'm going to show you why in a minute. But if it's a square, then this is not squared. You do the square root of that. So it makes more sense if you do it. I have 4x squared. 4x squared, the square root of 4 is 2. And if I take x squared and take the square root, I get x. So I get 2x and 2x. Those need to be the exact same. And then the square root of 9 is 3. So I get a 3 and a 3. One gets a plus, one gets a minus. Again, it does not matter which one gets a plus and which one gets the minus. Now, I'm going to do this just like we did a couple days ago to show you why it works. So if I distribute this, I get 2x times 2x is 4x squared. 2x times 3 is minus 6x. 3 times 2x is plus 6x. And 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Negative 6 and positive 6 cancel, and so you get 4x squared minus 9, which is what you started with. Now, you don't have to do that. I'm just showing you why this works the way that it works. So let's try another one. If I have 25x squared minus 1, so then I ask myself, what multiplies to give me 25 is going to be 5x and 5x. And then what multiplies to give you 1? The square root of 1 is 1. 1 times 1 is 1. And then 1 gets a plus, 1 gets a minus. And that's it. Now, what you have to be careful of is what we talked about yesterday. You always need to look for a greatest common factor. So if you have 75 n squared minus 27, you look at this and think, hey, there's some subtraction, but I don't know the square root of 75. The square root of 75 isn't one I know. But if I look at this, 75 and 27 both divide by 3. So if I take a 3 out of that, 75 divided by 3 is 25 n squared. Well, that's nicer because I know that square root. And then 27 divided by 3 is 9, which is also nicer because I know that square root. And so then my final answer is 5n, and then the square root of 9 is 3, and 3. 1 gets a plus, 1 gets a minus. And that is your answer.